Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI website builder to see which of these websites will win your heart in 2025. So to get started with a quick overview, Palmpay Builder is an AI website builder aimed at solopreneur, startups, and small businesses who want to quickly create landing page or one-page website. It focused on ease of use, mobile optimization with SEOs and lead generation, all with zero coding skills. Then Dorik AI on the other side is a no-code website builder built for users who want customizable website with minimal fields, offering clean design template, blogging capabilities, integration, and white label option, ideas for freelancers, SaaS, funders, and a small team. Talking about what these two platforms are best at, starting with the Palmpay Builder. Palmpay Builder is best for rapid MVPs, landing pages, and startup website. Then on the other side, Dorik AI is best for freelancers, agencies, or startup needing a multiple page site. And here's the downside about these two platforms, starting with the Dorik AI. It has no content AI generation as of 2025, and it also slightly steeper learning curve than AI first tools. It has a fewer advanced animation with also design features. Talking about the downside of the Palmpay Builder, it has a limited design flexibility, not ideal for multiple page or complex sites, still maturing in third-party integration. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms and how this platform can be a game changer to you. Thanks.